welcome back to Pure Lottie. So today's video is the June Beautybox unboxing. So if you want to see what I've got this month, then make sure you keep watching. And if you like today's video, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Alright, let's jump in. Today's box looks quite good, so I'm super excited to see what we've gotten. So the first product we've got in here is from COSRX, and it is an advanced snail mucin power sheet mask. So this is what it looks like. So it's a sheet mask dipped in 35,000 ppm of snail mucin. So it's packed with the elasticity enhancing essence to help soothe skin and leave it supple. It delivers nourishment and hydration to your skin nice and deep. It retails for $10 Australian, and to use you basically just place the mask evenly over the face after cleansing and remove after 10 to 20 minutes and gently pat the remaining essence for better absorption. So that sounds pretty good. I'm not too sure about this snail mucin. I know it is going a bit crazy over on TikTok right now, but I'd be interested in trying this out. But yeah, I'm gonna have to speak to my dermatologist first and see what he thinks of this before I do. Otherwise, I will re-gift this on to someone else. So the next product I've got in here looks pretty good. It is from Daily Concepts and it's a daily gel eye mask. So it looks like this. It actually has those little like balls in there that move around. It feels really nice and like velvety soft on this side. It's just a normal like elastic band with some Velcro, so that may get a bit irritating overnight if you were to wear it overnight. So it basically says the gel mask can withhold warm or cold temperatures for your desired results. So cold temperatures can help reduce your puffiness, alleviate your dark circles, and is known for relieving sinus pressure. The warm temperatures may relieve the feeling of dryness, congestion, and eye strains. So basically you lie down or sit back and relax your eyes with this over the top of your eyes so you can look and feel your best throughout the day. So basically you can pop this in the freezer or refrigerator before use for 2 hours to reduce the appearance of puffiness, dark circles, etc. And to use it warm, you just microwave it for 20 seconds and apply it for approximately 20 minutes per day. So that sounds really interesting. It feels cool. So I'm interested in trying this out and seeing how this goes. With my lack of sleep, I could definitely use this to get rid of some dark circles and puffiness. So I'm definitely interested to see how it works. So the mask does retail for $15.50 Australian, and you can get it from devenis.com.au. So the third product I have here is from Lyric Paris. And it's basically a micellar cleansing water. So it is 50 mils and it comes like this. So basically it says here that the micellar water helps to effectively and gently remove makeup and impurities while protecting and soothing the skin. So it's infused with cleansing micelles, linseed and mallow. This gentle cleanser softly removes all traces of makeup on the face and eyes, leaving the skin cleansed, detoxified and soft for the next skincare step. So you can pick this up from care2beauty.com. Now the 400ml bottle retails for $30 Australian. So I'm interested in trying this out. I don't really use micellar water. So this next product is a bit confusing to me. So basically it's from OHMM. So I don't know if it's pronounced I'm not 100% sure, but it's basically a canopy water activated powder shampoo. So this is how it's come. It's in a little glass container that's got a little bit of packaging in there, and then it's come in this really tiny little glass container with a cork top. So it says best before July 2023. So this vial is meant to replace 60 mils of liquid shampoo. So it's a plastic-free, water-activated powder shampoo that is great for your hair and scalp and even better for the earth. So it full of naturally derived ingredients such as coconut oil and sea salt, and completely free of sulfates, plastic, parabens, silicons, and artificial chemicals. So it's suitable for all hair types, especially anyone with sensitive, damaged, or delicate scalp. And it's an all-natural formulation that restores hair and scalp's oil balance, fights dandruff and frizz. So this here retails for $5.50. And they have also given us a discount here as well if we want to purchase any more. So this is what it is looking like. It's definitely a strange concept, but I think I might give it a shot. I might take it to my hairdresser and see what she says as well, because we all know that my body doesn't like me and is super sensitive. Okay, the last two products in here are my two favorite products. So the first one here is from Laneige, and we all know how much I love Laneige. So this one is the Laneige Radiance C Cream. So it's just a little 10ml container here. It retails for 17 Australian dollars, and you can get it from stelvana.com.au. So it's basically a vitamin cream that helps to correct uneven skin tone and brighten up dark spots. So you pretty much just, as the last step of your day or night skincare, apply a moderate amount onto your face. So this is really cute. I think I've gotten a sample one of these before, and my mother-in-law liked it, so I might check and see if she wants it first. Otherwise I might pop it in a giveaway, because I currently have my new skincare routine down and I don't want to change it at the moment. But this is a really good product as well. My skin is just so sensitive, so that's why I don't currently use this. And the lucky last product, I have actually been eyeing products like this off, not necessarily this brand, but I'm excited to get one because, yeah, I want to see how it works. So this one is from Ladyme. So it's a brow stamp, and it comes in a box like this. So basically it's got a brow stamp. This color is just a brown. It's got 5 stencils, a spoolie brush, and an eyebrow trimmer. And this retails for 53 Australian dollars, and you can get it from ladyme.com.au. And again, I've got a discount here if I wanted to pick up some more on their website. So basically you select your appropriate stencil and align it to your eyebrows. Then you use the stamp on the stencil gently, starting from the tail of the eyebrow until you get your desired result. Then you wipe off any excess powder from the stencil and flip the eyebrow stencil and repeat on the other eyebrow. So this sounds really, really good to me. I've been seeing these like all over TikTok and stuff. So yeah, I'm super excited to try this out. Now it is, okay, it's a medium brown, so it's definitely not going to be my ideal shade. So this is the product in there, and there's the stamper. It's not going to be like the perfect shade for me. I normally go for a taupe or like a light brown or a really dark blonde, but I'm okay with trying out a different color and seeing if I like it. It has the little blade here to trim your brows. Just drop the spoolie, but this is what it looks like. And then it just has the little pack of stencils here. So I'm super excited to give this one a try. So I will add up the amount and add it to the screen for you of how much I paid and how much the box was worth, to see if I did get a good value for money. Just from looking at all the products, I'm really happy with the box, so I think I have. So I do have one more month on my subscription to try this box out, so I'm excited to see what next month is like as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to hit the thumbs up down below, because it really helps me out. And if you're new, don't forget to join my family. Hit that subscribe button and change that notification bell to all, so you don't miss any of my future videos. And as always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!